If you're facing a billing hold on DoorDash, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your DoorDash account is valid and has sufficient funds. If there are any issues, update your payment information. Step 2. Review your account balance. Log into your DoorDash account and check if there are any outstanding balances or pending charges that need to be addressed. Clear any overdue payment if necessary. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the billing hold persists, reach out to DoorDash customer support through the app or website. Provide them with details about the issue for quicker assistance. Step 4. Update your app. Make sure your DoorDash app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, outdated apps can cause issues with billing and payments. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, monitor your account for any updates or confirmations from DoorDash regarding the removal of the billing hold. It may take a short while for the changes to reflect. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the billing hold on your DoorDash account efficiently. If issues continue, consider reaching out again to customer support for further assistance.